Starting in the master bedroom. It is I'm not sure what kind. We'll turn the light off because it ruins the picture. Put it on high. Kind of reminds me of a Casablanca Zephyr. Not sure if the light gets original. It does wobble. Medium. It does push a good amount of air though. My guess is a 42-inch long chain on the light. Turn the light back on. I like the light kit, but I don't think it's original and off. So yeah, 42-inch fan. And then we've got this, which is an Emerson. And it's got this long chain. It's noisy. Medium. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Low. Thing is though, 2 of the 5 fans in this house are Emerson, so maybe the one in the master bedroom is an Emerson. This looks more like a 52-incher. Again, it pulls on the globe, so you gotta kind of pull it out. But that's that fan. Looks like this. That one is also an Emerson, and I'll show you here. One of the lights is burned out, but if you look right up there, I don't know if you can see it, but it does say Emerson. And I'll show you here the light kit has different cycles. See? Turn this one on. The ones down here are on reverse. I can't turn the light off though. Medium. Low. It's hard for me to reach that one. So yeah, it's got the vents like both of the ones upstairs, so maybe the master bedroom one's an Emerson, but I'm not sure. Turn it off. 2 fans in here. We'll start with the kitchen fan. Appears to be a 42-inch. Not sure the brand. It doesn't look like an Emerson though. The chain is a little bit wonky because it's mounted in the same spot as the light. See, it's not straightforward. Medium setting. Low. Yeah, my guess is 42-inch. And off. You gotta kind of pull it to the side because it sticks otherwise. And then the dining room fan, which looks to me like a Sierra Hugger or whatever you call it. 2 of the lights are out, and it has the up light, of course, which I think actually looks pretty attractive. We'll do the up light. It's kind of loud. It wobbles. Medium. So you can see it wobbling. And low. Turn that back on. I don't know why the one light bulb comes on after another. As you can. And off. So yeah, I really like the uplight on the fan. Interesting chains. There, the fan's off.